Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to CyberNet channel. This video will show how to set up IIS web server in Windows 10. First open the control panel. Switch to the category view if it is not. Select the program item. Now open the Windows features, and check the item Internet Information Services. You should do the restart on your system. I will do it later. Now the web server is running and listening on port 80 at the local host IP address. The actual IP address is 127.0.0.1. If you see the start page, you have successfully set up the web server. Let's make more interesting by downloading the blog example from Bootstrap and put it in the root folder of the default website in IIS. Finally, you can manage your website by open the Internet Information Services program. We will explore this program further in other videos. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.